few months ago, I had a surgery, and while I've been working on my recovery, I noticed I lost a lot of grip strength in my hands. It was recommended to me to pick up one of these little hand grip strengtheners. Now, I went through all the models and tried to find one that kind of stood out to me. This one made by GD Grips kind of stood out to me the most, so this is the one I went with. Now, this is the PRO-70 model. Now, they've got several models out there on the market, and it really just kind of depends on what range of weight you want to be able to put on this thing. What's nice about this is it's adjustable. So this particular model here goes from 55 pounds up to 154 pounds. The 55-pound mark was kind of right at the cusp of where I needed to start at. But after using this for about 2 weeks now, I've very easily been able to get to that 55, and I've moved up into the 70 and 80-pound mark. So I'm trying to get that back up to 100, which is where I feel like I need to be just for my line of work and what's required of my hands on a daily basis. When it came to picking out one of these, like I mentioned, there's a ton of these things on the market, but what I really liked on this one here was when I put my hand right here, kind of where that little bump out is, and then the knurls right here where your fingers kind of sit in place. This one does a really good job of staying in my hand. Doesn't feel like it shifts on me like some of the other ones that I've used in the past. Now, you may have a preference and like the other style better, but I kind of like this one here and gravitate to it the most. And after, like I said, using this for about 2 weeks now, it hasn't really caused me any blisters or anything in my hands, and I've been able to really adjust and adapt to this thing. And like I mentioned, it kind of has become part of my daily routine. So to adjust this little dude right here, all you do is you spin the little wheel here on the top, and then that moves your spring up and down. And you can see if I just go crazy on this thing, I can get this thing down to the bottom, and it gets a lot harder to get that thing to squeeze versus if I have it up here in that 55-pound range, I can very easily knock that thing out. So if you're looking for one of these hand grip strengtheners, check this one out here and see if this might be a good fit for you. Been really happy with this the last couple weeks. Appreciate you guys taking the time to watch. We'll catch you on the next video.